Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back at you with another makeup video. So today I did a natural makeup look. I just wanted to do something very natural, something you could do every day. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see more of. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Hey guys, so as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, and I took the Precise My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and then I used L.A Girl Pro Conceal to conceal around my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with my Nicka K palette. The shades don't really have names, but it's pretty much just a nude taupe eyeshadow. And I'm just applying that as my transition color. So now I'm going in with the same Nicka K palette, and I'm going in this very dark brown. It almost looks kind of black in the video, but it is a dark brown color, and I'm just gonna go in and blend that out because I kind of want I want some definition, but I don't want too much definition because I still want it to look very natural. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm just applying that to the outer corners of my eye. Now I'm going in with this champagne color from the Nicka K palette as well. And I wish they had names so I could tell you exactly which color I'm using, but unfortunately it doesn't. But I'm just doing that and applying it all over my lids. Now I'm going in with my falsies, I believe Maybelline mascara. It's one of my favorites. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, but I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. Well, you may get to see a short part of it, but I'm going to do most of it off camera. Y'all, I was struggling with these eyelashes, okay? I don't know what was going on, but I was struggling. Now I'm going back in with that falsies mascara just to blend my eyelashes and the falsies together. Now I'm going in with Smashbox Studio Skin in the shade 4.3. Then I'm gonna highlight my face with L.A Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the foundation brush and blend that out. Then I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender and blend it out some more. Now I'm gonna start setting my highlight with Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Terracotta. Then afterwards, I'm gonna go in and set the rest of my face with Covergirl's pressed powder in Golden, and it's from the Queen collection. Purchase your